बुधवारा सावन पुराय गोंयांत झेब्रा क्रॉसिंगाचे जागृताय हाडपाक जागृताय मोहीम राबयतले म्हूण माहिती डीआयजी रुपेंद्र कुमार हांणी सोमारा जाल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत दिल्या. राज्यांत जावपी अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक हो खासा उपक्रम राबयला म्हूण मुखार डीआयजी कुमार हांणी स्पश्ट केला. RTX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनावली.
A new traffic initiative which the Goa Traffic Police is going to start very shortly. We are already on our website with the details. Actually, the thing that we are doing is that it has been found that there is unorganized crossing by pedestrian at various traffic junctions, now which is causing a problem, and it can also lead to accidents and further loss of life also in case the vehicle is at a higher speed. So we have decided, and we are going to implement the right of way of the pedestrian. And the right of way of a pedestrian means that pedestrian has the first right on all roads, and it is the duty of every motorist to stop and allow him to pass from a dedicated path where there is a zebra crossing, so that he gets his share of the road use. So any violation in this regard will be prosecuted, and once the vehicle is stopped, flagged down for any such violation, the same vehicle will also be checked for any other violation which is being done by that motorist. For example, if it's a motorcycle and he has refused to give right of way, he will be stopped, penalized for that, and if he is not wearing a helmet, he will also be penalized for that. Further, for all other motor vehicle offences, he will be, once he is flagged down, we will check him thoroughly. The idea is that the pedestrian should feel safe while crossing the road, and the motorist should also respect the right of way of the pedestrian. As it is, there are certain places where we have zebra crossings, and but some signages are missing, which we are putting up. These are cautionary signs which are meant for the motorist to read and understand that there is a zebra crossing ahead, and he should mentally prepare himself to stop the vehicle in case any pedestrian is attempting to cross. All this will be in place by Wednesday, and from Wednesday, what date is it?
29th.
29th. On 29th of this month, we'll start prosecution on this front. Further, this is going to be done, in front of all schools, educational institutes, hospitals, or any place which is frequented by people and where there is a need for the pedestrian to cross traffic. Wherever there are no pedestrian crossings, we have already requested the concerned agencies to put up the same as quickly as possible, so that this scheme can be spread all over Goa.